How are you all? All are fine?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Vacation? Did you enjoy the vacation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Inside your house. That is a problem. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You are spending more time in front of TV or in front of net. What? What, Tushar? Then, Abhiram, you introduce yourself, your name, your place, your previous school, and your division.
My name is Abhiram. I was studying in the school last year. My original place is Parur. I'm currently in Plavamuri. My division is 11C.
11C. Okay. Then, what about Abhilash?
Ma'am, I was studying in Abu Dhabi Indian School, and I'm currently staying
I
in Abu
can't
Dhabi.
hear you.
Am I audible? Hello.
It's not clear, Abhilash.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Audible, but not clear.
Okay. So should I continue? Hello.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's fine now.
Okay.
Okay. So I was studying in Abu Dhabi Indian School. I'm currently staying in Abu Dhabi, but my original place is in Nalakoda, in Thrissur.
Okay. 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 You are in which division?
11C.
C. Amal?
I am Amal Roshan Study. My class is 11th C. I study before same school. I am living at Kodungalur.
Kodungalur. You are in division C.
C.
C. Okay. Then Vishnu? Vishnu? Vishnu, am I audible? You unmute, Vishnu.
My name is
Okay,
Vishnu
Vishnu.
Evi. My name is Vishnu Evi. I have been studying here from previous year. My section is 11A.
You are from? Vishnu?
I am from Muthavana.
Okay. You are in 11A. Then Sanam?
Ma'am, I've been studying here for 3 years and I'm coming from Thrissur.
Okay. You are coming from Thrissur?
No. I stay in hostel.
Okay, okay, okay. You are in which division?
See,
C. Then Buddha?
I'm Buddha. I studied here and I'm from Chalakudi.
I can't hear.
I am Buddha Dev. I
Okay.
studied here and
Okay.
I'm from Chalakudi.
Chalakudi. In which division?
B.
C.
11. B.
B. Tushar?
My name is Tushar. I'm from Mala. I've been in the school from the previous year. I'm in 11B.
11B. Alan?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Anand Thomas Shibu. I've been studying here for last 4 years. And I'm from Ernakulam, Adua. I'm studying in
Adwa.
11A. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Proper place is Alua?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm also near to that. Attani.
I know, ma'am.
Okay. Your division?
11A.
11A. Then Alan Joshi. Alan Shibu, Alan Joshi.
Ma'am, my name is Alan and I'm studying here itself. I'm coming from Kodungalur.
Kodungalur.
My
Okay.
division is B.
B. Then Sanjana.
My name is Sanjana. I'm from Thrissur. I'm in 11C.
11?
C.
C. Okay. Omar?
Ma'am, my name is Omar. I'm from class 11C and I'm Charai.
You are in which division?
11C.
You are from?
Charai.
Okay. Then Anish.
Ma'am, I'm Anish Sadian. I've been studying in the same school previous years. I'm from Perimbaur. My division is 11A.
Oh, you are from Perimbaur.
Yes, ma'am.
Your division is 11A.
A, ma'am.
Okay. Anish, your full name? Anish.
Salian, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. Then who's next? Tom Sindan.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Tom Sindan. I was studying at Meriwat. My place is Meriwat, Puthanvelgira.
Okay, okay.
My place is also near Puthanvelgira.
Okay.
My division is 11B.
11B. Then Rahul Ramesh.
My name is Rahul and I'm coming from Puthanvelgira. And I'm studying in 11A.
Then Kevin.
I'm Kevin. I'm from class 11C and I'm currently residing in Angamali.
Angamali.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your division?
C.
C. Proper Angamali?
Yes, ma'am. Proper Angamali.
Okay. C. Then Aparna.
Ma'am, I have been studying in the school itself and I'm from 11A and I stay in Kurur.
11A. Nestle.
I'm Nestle. I'm from Kodungalur. I was in Holy Grace Academy Mala and I'm in 11A.
11A. Basuri.
I have been studying in the school itself. I'm from Kodungalur, 11C.
11C. Anjana.
I was studying in the same school itself. I'm from Murkulam and I'm in 11B.
Murikulam. 11B. Then Sayujya.
My name is Salji Fair. I'm studying in the same school. I'm in 11A.
11?
A.
A. Anjana. Oh, Anjana. Then Abarna. Abarna.
Ma'am, I already
Okay,
told.
okay. Then Alan. Completed. Alan. Alan, switch on the video. All of you switch on the video. Alan, am I audible, Alan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, switch on the video. Okay. You introduce yourself. Oh, you already no. It is Alan Shibu. You're Alan Varghese. Okay. Alan, from where you are coming?
I'm from Trishur.
Okay. From which division?
A.
+1?
A.
11? A. Alan Varghese. Irene?
Hello, ma'am. My name is Irene. I'm from Mala and I'm studying in 11B.
11B. Switch on the video. Irene?
Ma'am, your voice might break if I switch on the cam.
Okay, okay, okay. You are in 11B.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Then Anish, Helen, Sanam. Anyone is there? Okay. Then. Alan, what happened? Alan Joshi. Two Alans are there. Then
Ma'am, nothing.
two. Nothing. Okay. Then why you select informatics practices? Any idea about that topic or that subject? No idea. Anjana,
Yes, ma'am.
any idea? What is IP?
Computer.
Computer. Yes. Well, then any difference between that CS and IP?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know. Then anyone? No idea. Okay, no problem. So in informatics practices, we learn some of the topics of Python programming language. But in CS, we are completely studying about Python programming. Okay, but in IP, we are learning only basics of Python. Okay, and we are including some other topics like computer fundamentals, then Boolean algebra, relational database management system. You heard about that RDBMS? Naveen? Relational database management system? I think it's in your 10th syllabus. I think so. Okay. So these are the main topics included in your IP. In +1 portion, we discuss about the Python programming, basics of Python, programming language. Python is a programming language. And some relational database concepts and some computer fundamentals and some Boolean algebra related topics and some new techniques based on internet or something like that. Okay. Then What are the main topics you discuss, you learn from the lower classes? From the lower classes onwards, you learn about the computer fundamentals. That's your first chapter. Your first chapter include input unit, output unit, CPU. You all know about that, isn't it? Okay, from fourth or fifth standard onwards, you are learning about the generation of computer, what are the input unit, what are the output unit, what is memory, what are the different types of memory. Okay, so I will just skip that chapter. You can take it as a seminar, okay? Okay, then from second chapter onwards, it is Python. Second chapter, we are learning about how we can install Python. And third chapter, we are starting how to write a program using this Python programming language. Okay, so we are starting from third chapter. Then, what do you think when you heard about the word Python? You just avoid all this programming language. What is Python?
A snake.
Yes, correct. It's a reptile. Python is a reptile. So we are giving this Python name for this language because this language is very flexible like a Python, like a reptile. Okay. That's why the name Python for this programming language. Okay. It is very easy compared to other programming languages like C, C++ is very easy. There is no compilation is needed. Just run the program, write the statement, run the program. Okay. So that is Python. Then what is programming language? What's the use of programming language? What is a computer? From lower classes onwards, you are studying the definition for computer. What is computer? Computer is a machine. That is the definition. Computer is a machine. Then how we can work with that computer? Rahul Ramesh. Abhijit, Anjana, Aparna, switch on the video. Okay.
When a user uses the computer to do their particular needs.
Okay. How we can do that needs in that computer? We have to give. Okay.
With whatever, like with input and output.
Okay, we have to
stuff.
give input. That is, we have to give input as instructions. We have to give instructions to the computer for getting the result. Okay. We have to give instructions. We have to guide the computer by writing instructions. These instructions are known as statements. So, writing these instructions, we have to use some languages, not our language. We have to use some languages. High-level languages are used for writing the instructions. So many high-level languages are there. Here we are using Python programming language. Okay. So computer is a machine. We have to work with that computer. For working that computer, we have to give instructions to that computer. So for giving instruction, we have to write some statements. Do this do this one, do this one, do that one. We cannot say like that. We can write that statement like an instruction. For writing this instruction, we have to use a special language that is known as high-level language. We have to use high-level languages. So many languages are there. Here we are learn about Python programming language. Okay? Is it clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we can start the third chapter. You have notebook? All of you have a notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Take your
ma'am.
notebook and write your lecture note, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
the same time you regularly study the topics, I will ask questions.
Yes, ma'am.
So, is it clear? Is the screen is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So write the chapter heading, chapter 3, Python programming fundamentals. Python programming fundamentals. Python programming fundamentals. In +2 syllabus, our first 2 chapters is based on this +1 portion. Okay. So when we take the syllabus of +2, the first 2 chapters is based on +1. All these +1 Python programming related topics are included in first 2 chapter of +2 syllabus. So listen carefully and study well. Okay, it is needed for our +2 also. Okay. Clear, Kevin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then, if we learn about a new language, first what we have to study first about English.
Alphabets.
When we are starting learning about English language, what you learn first?
Alphabets.
Alphabets. Just like that. In Python programming language, we are using some alphabets. Instead of alphabet, we call it as character set. Okay? A set of values that is known as character set. So, it first write the heading Python character set. Just like our normal alphabet in English language, we are learning a the smallest part of Python, that is Python character set. Python character set is a set of valid characters recognized
Video
by
on top.
Python.
The teacher. 20 on the video paper.
Python character set. Who is this? Alan Basuri, Alan Joshi, Abarna, switch on the video. Abhijit, I want to see your faces. Abhijit, you write it? Completed?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay. Abhilash completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Character set. Character set is a set of valid characters used in Python programming language. We are using some small characters in our Python programming language. That set of characters, valid characters, are known as Python character set. It includes 4 things, that is letters, digits, special symbols, and white spaces. Okay, in character set, the commonly used character set in Python programming language is, first one is letters. What are letters? Letters means capital letter A to Z and small letter A to Z. These are the valid letters included in Python character set. In Python character set, letters means capital letter A to Z and small letter A to Z. We can include these letters as valid character. Then, what about digits? What about digits?
0 to 9.
0 to 9. 0 to 9 are the valid characters, valid digit character included in Python character set. Then what about special symbols? Tushar,
Yes, ma'am.
what is special symbols?
Like hashtag at the rate
Ah,
of.
all the special characters like star, slash, hash, then plus, minus, all these special characters are in the group special symbols. Then what about white space? Amal? Any idea? White space is space. Tab space, space bar, carriage return, all are included in white space. Okay? So, just like our normal language, the basics of Python is Python character set. Python character set means it's a set of valid characters. Set of valid characters. Which are the valid characters in Python? That is letters, digits, special symbols, and white spaces. The valid characters included in Python programming language is letters, digits, special symbols, and white spaces. Letters include capital letter A to Z to and small letter A to Z. Then digits means 0 to 9 digits. Then special symbols means all the special characters. Plus, minus, hash, colon, double quotes, single quotes. Plus, minus, mod. All these are special characters. Then white spaces. White spaces is tab space, space bar, enter key. All are considered as white spaces. Is it clear? Is it clear, Krishnanundi? Krishnanundi, you are from which division?
A.
A. Okay. Omar, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes. Who's this?
white spaces means?
What?
White spaces means?
White space means tab space. There's a key in keyboard. You just check tab. Tab space or space bar. That is the keys that are used for placing space. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is character set. Character set means set of valid characters recognized by Python. The commonly used valid characters in Python are letters, digits, special symbols, and white spaces. Letters include all the alphabets, uppercase alphabets and lowercase alphabets, digits 0 to 9, then special symbols, that is star, plus, minus, etc., and then white spaces. Okay? Then, after studying alphabet, what we learn? After studying A, B, C, D, then we move on to words. Isn't it? So, we move on to words. Word is token. The name of word is token. In Python, tokens. A token is the smallest element of a Python script that is meaningful to the interpreter. The smallest individual unit in a Python program is known as token. The smallest individual unit in a Python program is known as tokens. The smallest individual unit in a Python program is known as tokens. A token is the smallest element of a Python script that is meaningful to the interpreter. All the meaningful words in Python script is known as tokens. A token is the smallest element of a Python script that is meaningful to the interpreter. Means it is the smallest individual unit in a Python program and it must be a meaningful word. That means if you are writing a statement like this, A is equal to 10. This is one of the simplest statement in Python programming language. Here, 10 is one token, equal to is another token, A is another token. You got the idea, Sanjana? Okay. So, token means each part of a statement is known as token. We can differentiate this token into these identifiers, keyword, literals, operators, and punctuators. We will discuss it later. So this is a simple statement in Python. A is equal to 10. What is the meaning of this statement? A is equal to 10.
The
A
value
is 10.
is 10.
Value is 10.
A is 10.
Its value is 10.
Yes. That is equal to is the assignment operator. Equal to is known as assignment operator. Means the value 10 is assigned to A. This is the meaning of the statement. A is equal to 10 means 10 is assigned to A. So after executing this statement, the value of A become
10.
10. Correct. So this is one of the simplest statement. So here 10 is one token, equal to is another token, equal to is belongs to operator token. 10 is belongs to literal token. A is belongs to identifier token. Okay, you got the idea of token. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So a token is the smallest element of a Python script that is meaningful to the interpreter. Token is the smallest individual unit of a Python program that have a special meaning. So there are 5 types of tokens. The first one is identifiers. And the second one is keywords. Third one is literals or constants. And next one is operators. Last one is punctuators. Okay. So 5 different tokens are identifiers, keywords, literals, literals or constants, operators, and punctuators. Okay. Now we will discuss about identifiers. What is identifier? Identifier means a name given to a value. If you are giving a name to a value, that name is known as identifier. Okay. To identify a value, we are giving some name. That name is known as identifier. Okay. For identifying us, we are giving one name for us. Same like that. It is the name given for one value. Either it is for one integer value or it is for string value, any value. So it is the name given for a value. Okay. For creating one identifier, we have to take care of some rules. We can discuss that also. So first write the heading identifiers. Identifiers. The name of any variable, constant, function, or module is called an identifier. The name of any variable, constant, function, or module. We will discuss these terms later. What is constant, what is function, what is module. Variable means a value. The name of any value. If we are giving a name to a value, that is known as variable. The name of any variable, constant, function, or module is called an identifier. Then, rules for defining identifier. Okay, so today we just discuss about what is rules we can discuss in the next class. So first we discuss about Python programming language character set. What is character set?
A set of word characters.
Set of characters. Set of characters. What are the different set of characters, Basuri?
Letters, digits, space,
Letters, digits,
special symbols,
special symbols,
white space.
white spaces. Irene, what about letters? Irene? Am I audible, Irene? Irene, are you there? Abhijit? Abhijit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is letters in character set? Abhijit, switch on the video.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. What is letters in character set, Abhijit?
Can you explain one more time?
Okay. What is letters? I will explain. Before that, Alan Shibu will explain.
Yes, ma'am.
What is letters in character set?
Letters means alphabets from lower cases and upper. We can use both the cases.
Correct. Is it clear, Abhijit?
Ma'am, it is not clear.
Not clear. Then, Buddhadev,
Yeah, ma'am.
what is letters?
Letters are basically A to Z.
A to Z. Correct. Abhijit, is it clear,
I mean,
Abhijit?
A to Z.
Yes. Lowercase a to z and uppercase a to z are considered as
Letters.
letters. Then what about digits, Abhijit? Normal case digits.
And that
Digits means
also
what?
one more time.
Okay. Then Alan Joshi. What is digits? What is digits in character set?
Ma'am, is it numbers?
Yes, it is numbers. Digits means 0 to 9 numbers. Is it clear, Abhijit?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sleeping there?
No, ma'am.
No. Then, okay. Then what about special characters, Anna?
And plus minus.
Plus, minus, etc. All the special characters are called special characters. Nestle, what is letters in character set?
A to Z.
A to Z. Uppercase A to Z and smaller case A to Z are considered as letters. Aparna, what about white spaces?
Ma'am, the space bar.
Yes, yes. Space bar is considered as white space. Naveen, what is character set? What is the definition of character set?
Character set is a set of valid recognized by
Set of valid characters. Abhilash, the
Yes,
definition
ma'am.
is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What is character set? What are the different types of character set included?
Ma'am, character set is a set of characters that is recognized by Python, and it includes letters, digits, special symbols, and white spaces.
Okay. A small topic is this. So you just clarify all the doubts. Okay. You just listen carefully. Okay. We'll continue in the next class. Okay. Anyone is there without taking after taking the attendance? Anyone is there? Krishnanunni. 25 students are there. Okay. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.